Morning, Matt.
Morning.
I'm sitting here with Matt Ray, who is the pool manager for the city of Fife. The city of Fife installed a TMI salt pure system in 1998, and just recently they've upgraded their system to TMI's new X series. Matt, would you tell us a little bit about the city of Fife and your position?
City of Fife is pretty well centrally located between Seattle and Tacoma. We are probably one of the biggest learn-to-swim places in Washington State. On any given week in the summer, we will see approximately 600 kids go through our swim lesson program. We also have a couple swim teams that practice here, as well as a pretty active senior group and a lap swim and a master's program.
Busy pool.
Busy pool.
And I know you weren't here in 1998, Matt, but do you have any history of why the city of Fife chose to go salt pure so early in the game?
I do. I came in 2000, so just a little bit after we did the conversion. One of the biggest reasons was we wanted to go green, get rid of the chlorine, all the chemicals we were keeping on site. Our parks director at the time really wanted to be the first pool in the lower 48 states to have the salt pure program, and so we did that and were that. Absolutely loved it ever since.
Fantastic. And talking about the real beneficiaries of salt pure, I think, how do the swimmers react? How have they reacted over the years to the water?
They absolutely love it. Our patrons now are loyal. We have people driving 25 miles to come to this pool for that reason. They like it because of it. In their opinion, it makes their eyes feel better when they're in the water. They feel like it makes their skin feel better when they get out of the water. And they really like that it doesn't, you're not going to bleach out a suit in one day. They think that they're getting a lot more length out of their clothes that they're wearing to swim. So it
was sort of a no-brainer when the older system was becoming obsolete that you would
it wasn't
do salt.
An option not to do salt.
Wonderful. And then your experience with TMI, how has that gone?
It's been really wonderful. With any program like this, going through a one-source company to do is a risky business, but we've been absolutely pleased working with TMI. They've gotten us competitive pricing. Anytime we've had a problem, they're instantly on the phone, as well as been able to get us parts, no problem. And so that's been a really load off of the city's mind.
I'm very pleased to hear that. Matt, if there's another pool operator, pool manager, aquatic director who's sitting watching this case study now and was wondering whether they should convert to a TMI salt pure system, what would you tell them?
My advice would be to investigate it and go ahead and do it. Your patrons are going to love it. They're going to develop loyalty in your program versus other places that do it. And a lot of that is the water itself.